Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start now. Immediately unplug vulnerable electronics to prevent surge damage and leave one light on to confirm restoration. Next, approach the panel, stand to the side for safety, and visually inspect breakers. If a breaker handle is between on and off, firmly push it fully off, then back on. This resets internal mechanism. Once done, scan GFCI outlets in bathrooms and kitchens. Press reset. Make sure you're wearing dry shoes and using a flashlight, because water and electricity are a dangerous mix. Continue methodically. Reset each tripped breaker one at a time and observe which circuit immediately trips again. This identifies a short or overloaded circuit. Before turning a suspect breaker back on, unplug or switch off heavy loads like ovens, space heaters, and dryers. This prevents repeated trips. Once breakers behave, check the electric meter and any utility service LEDs. If the meter shows no incoming power, the issue is upstream. Make sure to label any problem circuits for the final repair steps. Finish by restoring power in a controlled sequence. Turn the main breaker on, then enable individual breakers one by one while reconnecting appliances slowly. This evens the load and reveals trouble. If a breaker trips again, unplug everything on that circuit and plug items into a different working circuit to isolate the offending device. If the main stays dead, the meter shows no service, or you see damaged wiring, stop. Call the utility or a licensed electrician, because those situations are hazardous and require professional repair.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.